Well, you come to the Easy Fixit channel, and this is a quick video about the security patches that we had yesterday for Windows. And basically, what I could say is that there's a lot of security flaws that are actually fixed in here. One of the things about it is the NSA discovered flaw, which is kind of interesting that they actually took the time to tell Microsoft about it. NSA has this history of keeping for themselves all the security flaws and not saying anything. And it created a lot of stir and a lot of problems with companies saying, well, you can't do that. So the NSA probably wanted to show that they could play nice and disclose the Windows cryptographic problem. It affects only Windows 10, by the way. It doesn't affect any other versions. And basically what it does is that it can actually have a website spoof a security certificate and, of course, create a vulnerability where you can have a man-in-the-middle attack or, basically they can do what they want. But basically the interesting aspect here is that if you have Office also installed, you have 49 security flaws in this Patch Tuesday for January of 2020. These include 41 important security flaws, 7 critical, 1 is moderate. So that is the lowdown on what's happening here. The update itself is actually running well, and it seems that there's very few problems around the install, but of course we'll continue looking at the blogs and seeing if anything unusual happens with Windows updates. As we know in the past it happened. Remember, once again, if you were on the Windows 7 operating system, this was your last Patch Tuesday update. So that means that you are now going in uncharted territory where, as time goes by, you will have more and more security flaws that will actually put you at risk on the web. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.